Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here with the Brand Ambassador Program, Keller Williams Real Estate and the Dave Hooke team out of South Central Pennsylvania, doing another Brand Ambassador local business highlight with Tuckey Companies here with Matt and Nathan Tuckey. And I couldn't recommend these guys and the Tuckey Companies anymore. After this year, they've served a lot of our clients, me personally, and friends and family. They do everything from, restoration, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, remodeling, both commercial and residential. And their motto is, if you don't know who to call Tuckey. And I can vouch for that because we've called them quite a bit. Guys, thanks for being here with us today.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks.
Yeah, so it's been a little bit since we've talked. Just share a little bit about how you guys and Tuckey Companies have navigated the last year through the pandemic as a local business.
Yeah, well, it's 2020, so it's been a challenging year. We had to change our game plan. You just start with a new playbook on how we can provide services safely. But some of those forced constraints have provided new opportunities, and we're trying to leverage those to make us a better organization in the future.
Yeah, aren't we all? What is the silver lining? Well, I can appreciate that. And as we turn the corner into 2021, what are you guys most excited about for Tuckey Companies?
The thing that comes to mind for me, at least, is customers' interest in indoor air quality products and services. That's been around for a long time, and we have experience in it. But customers are particularly interested in this year in making the air in their homes healthy. That's exciting, sure.
Makes sense. And I know both of my parents, I've had Tuckey come out and do an indoor air quality consultation, and they had some work done in their home. And I personally feel more at peace because, they're spending more time there. So it makes sense. All right. So if anybody's listening here today and they need to call you guys and have you take care of something, they need one of the many things that you guys can do for them in the community. What's the best place to reach you?
Two ways. First is you can check out our website, tuckey.com, tuckey.com. Or second, give us a call. You can get someone live on the phone 24/7 at 717-249-1535.
That's perfect. And so anybody listening here today, thanks so much for watching. Guys, we appreciate having you on today and sharing a little bit more about your story. There you have it, everybody. Another Brand Ambassador local business highlight with Tuckey Companies, Matt and Nathan Tuckey. I couldn't recommend these guys and their company more. They're prompt, they're efficient, they're reasonable, and they literally will do just about anything you ask for. And you can call or reach out to them by visiting their website at tuckey.com. And I can guarantee you 24 hours a day, they'll have somebody follow up and take great care of you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks.
Thanks, Dave.